Today we discussed about kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi. There are different types of fungus species are there. Then we discussed about the character of fungi. Fungi are heterotrophic. Fungi are heterotrophic. That means fungi shows different mode of nutrition but mainly saprotrophic. They are unicellular or multicellular. They are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes. They are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes means cells with clear nucleus with nuclear membrane. The thread-like filaments called hyphae. Hyphae coiled together to form mycelium. Hyphae with multinuclear condition. There are more than one nucleus are seen in each and every cells. This type of condition is known as cenosity condition. Their cell walls made up of mainly chitin. The partition walls between the cells called septa. This is the septa. Septa have pores on it. If we take the cross section of a septa, there are numerous pores are seen on it. So cytoplasm streams freely between the cells. Then aquatic fungi have flagellum for locomotion. Reproduction asexual by budding and spore formation. Budding, here yeast shows budding. Then here the asexual spores are seen in rhizopus. Sexual reproduction through conjugation. These are the steps of conjugation. Then main kinds of fungi. There are six different categories of fungi. First, myxomycetes. It is irregular in shape. Example, slime molds. Second, phycomycetes. They are unicellular, filamentous or branched. Example, rhizopus and phytophthora. Third, ascomycetes. They are unicellular. Example, yeast or multicellular branched. Example, Aspergillus, Penicillium and Neurospora. Fourth, basidiomycetes. They are multicellular branched forms. Example, ruts, smuts, mushrooms and toadstools. Fifth, deuteromycetes. They are multicellular branched fungi which reproduce only asexual means. Example, Alternaria. Sixth one, lichens and mycorrhizae which exist in symbiotic association. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis means combination of unicellular green algae with fungal hyphae for mutual benefit. Then we take an example of ascomycetes, that is yeast. The cell is unicellular, then the cell is ovoid in shape. Distinct cell wall and nucleus. One or more vacuoles seen on cytoplasm. Granular cytoplasm with, this is the cytoplasm. Granular cytoplasm with glycogen and fat. Then nutrition of yeast. Yeast is saprotropic. Saprotropic means organism take nutrition from dead decaying matter. The sucrose from the medium convert to glucose by the enzyme invertase or sucrase that is secreted by the fungus. This glucose directly absorbed by the yeast cell. C6H12O6, that is glucose. The enzymes sucrase or invertase to produce 2-ethyl alcohol, 2C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, plus 2 carbon dioxide molecule plus 2 ATP as energy. Then we discussed about the reproduction of yeast. They show asexual means budding. This is the bud. Sexual by conjugation. Ascospores carried by wind and germinate under suitable condition. Next topic, harmful fungi. Harmful fungi. Vaccinia graminis. Vaccinia graminis. That is also known as wheat rust. It causes patches on wheat leaf and stem of wheat plant and cause decreasing of yield. Second harmful fungi, rhizopus. That is also known as bread mold. It steals the bread. This is the picture of rhizopus. This is the rhizoid that penetrates into the substratum, that is bread or chapati like materials. This is the stolon. This is the sporangiophore. This is the sporangium. It is a matured sporangium. This is the columella part and these are the matured spores. that given out from the sporangium. The whitish network is called mycelium. The mycelium make up of thread-like hyphae. The stolon spread on the surface of bread. The part of stolon penetrate under the surface is called rhizoid, and the projecting part called sporangiophores. That bear sporangium. Sporangium contain a columella part and spores. Mature sporangium break down and black spores coming out and germinate. It is the asexual mode of reproduction of Rhizopus. Then the next, sexual reproduction, that is conjugation. These are the different stages of sexual conjugation. Here two hyphae with physiologically difference. These are the two hyphae with physiological differences act as gametes. These gametes are haploid. All plant body is haploid. These plant bodies are haploid, half number of chromosome. These two gametes also haploid. Gametes fuse to form diploid zygote, 2n. Diploid zygote. Meiosis or reduction division take place in zygote. Meiosis or reduction division take place in zygote, diploid zygote, and haploid zygospores formed. Zygospores germinate to form new haploid Rhizopus. Then human fungal diseases. Examples of human fungal diseases: ringworm and athlete's foot. Ringworm and athlete's foot are human fungal diseases. Then beneficial fungi. Examples of beneficial fungi: mushrooms are edible. Mycorrhizae provide minerals to host trees. Mushrooms are edible. Mycorrhizae provide minerals to host trees. Usually they seen on root system of tall trees. Neurospora used for genetic studies. Neurospora used for genetic studies. Antibiotic means penicillin. Antibiotic means penicillin obtained from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. ഞാൻ രണ്ട് കഥയും കൂടി വായിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. എൻ്റെ പണി ഇന്നത്തെ കഴിയല്ലോ. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ നാട്ടിലെ +1 നും +2 നും ഓരോ ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ മറ്റേത്. എന്നാൽ ഞാൻ കഥ വായിച്ചിട്ട് തുടങ്ങാം.